When you get to the Wallet Monsters landing page, you'll see 3 buttons at the top labeled Polygon, Binance, and Avalanche. Let's choose Polygon since we want to use the DApp on top of the Polygon network. We'll be taken to the Wallet Monsters login page. Before you can get started, we will need Test Matic, which is the native asset of the network, to cover any gas fees. This takes us to a faucet. From here, you'll have to make sure you have the Mumbai network selected, Matic token selected, and then enter your wallet address. Since I've done this earlier, it won't allow me to do it again. But once the transaction has been confirmed, you will officially have funded your wallet with Test Matic. We can now go back to the DApp's login page. From the navigation bar, click Wallet Login. Note, I purposely left my wallet connected to the wrong network for the DApp. I will show you how to correct this in a moment. Once we log in, the DApp will send us an alert informing us what network we are currently using. This is more of a heads up to make sure the user is aware of the current network they are on. In the navigation bar, go to the Navigation tab and click Current Network. This will give us the current network configurations, and if we are not on the correct network, it will inform us to change networks or DApps. We've already seen that we can check the current network from the Networks tab, but we can also switch the existing network and add new network configurations to our Web3 wallet. Let's switch to the correct network. And as you can see, we are now on the Mumbai testnet. For more information, head to the Wallet Monsters docs for all features. And until next time, this is Mikhail Muhammad. Peace.